Currently, research is underway for neutralization reactions and how they can be used to improve human life. For instance, chemists are using the concept of neutralization to find a cure for many deadly diseases. By using different bases and acids, they can neutralize different viruses in order to find a suitable vaccine. An ongoing example will be the dengue virus. It is a tropical disease caused by a mosquito bite. It results in serious health effects similar to those of the HIV virus. Chemists have tested different antibodies which are either acidic or basic to neutralize the virus and expel it from the immune system. Along with this, these researchers are trying to understand how exactly these neutralization vaccines help combat the virus and why it has the least amount of risks. By gaining more knowledge, other diseases such as HIV and even certain types of cancer can be cured. Other research that is currently being conducted involves how different organisms use neutralization reactions in order to survive. For example, chemists have recently discovered a species of ants called a tawny crazy ant that produces an acid. In an experiment that Edward G. Lebrun conducted, he discovered that these ants have a 98% survival chance when they use this acid against their predators. In comparison, they only have a 48% survival rate when they cannot use their acid. Now, they are researching exactly what this acid is used for, but one of the theories is that it is used to neutralize venoms of their predators such as the fire ants. This is what Lebrun's experiment suggests. Aside from studying neutralization reactions with different organisms, scientists are also researching neutralization reactions with water. After discovering that water becomes more sensitive to acidification due to acid rain, researchers are now finding new ways to test the acidity of the pH level of water. This can lead to further research on new methods of measurement.
Created using Powtoon.